Hi everyone, this is page 47 of workbook. It is a level 2 question for fractions. We are looking at a whole number divided by fractions word problem. Now, by now we have learned about using the ideas of GET to help us to deal with word problems regarding fractions and help us to feel more confident in solving fraction related word problems. So let's see if we can use the same in these level 2 problems. So here we are talking about the total and number of groups and each relationship, and we've learned that you can easily remember this strategy to help us to solve word problems. And when we see a fraction problem and we feel fearful about it, what we can do is to first ignore the fraction and just read it as it is. So City was given some ribbon to make some bowls. Then to make each bowl, there's a certain amount of ribbon that she needs. And then the question asks for greatest number of bowls and then the length left. So there's some left over. So this is the total, 13 meters, that's the total. And then each bowl, that means one bowl is using 2/5 meters. So there are two parts of this question. Part A asks for the greatest number of bowls that can be made. The part B asks for what's left. So both talks about the group. What does it exactly mean? It means that there's this all the ribbon. Okay, so it's just all the ribbon, the total of the ribbon, and that's 13 meters. I'm going to cut pieces out. So each piece is 2/5 meter. And I cut equal parts of it until I don't know how many. And then there isn't enough, I have some left over. Not enough to make another bowl, which is supposed to be 2/5 meter each. So this is what it means. So part A asks for how many pieces here. And then here asks for part B left. So the left one is got to do with meters, the second unit. So in this case, I can go through it step by step. Looking at part A, I'm looking for the greatest number of bowls. So that's group. To find that, I use the total divided by each. So in this case, number of bowls that's possible will be using the total, that will be 30 meters. Divided by each ribbon is 2/5. So next step, use the keep change flip. So I can keep 13, change division. Possible to simplify? No, not possible. Then I will get 13 times 5, 65 divided by 2. Then I will get a mixed number. There will be 32.5. So what does this mean? It means you have 32 whole ribbon, whole bowls, sorry. 32 whole bowls and half of a bowl. So this is like the remainder left. You have only half of what is needed to make a whole bowl. So 32 whole bowls. So A, the greatest number of bows that's possible, that she can make 32 whole bows. And let's talk about the left portion, that's part B. So part B, there are two ways to do it. The first way is to, okay, so I have 32 and a half. Looking at this half, that means I half of the one bow. So one bow is supposed to be 2/5 a meter. So half of 2/5 will be 1/5 meter. That's it. So 1/5 meter of ribbon is left. So that's method 1. Another method that I can look at it is, now I have method 2. So this is half, and then this is half of the bow, right? So method 2 is I have 32 bows. So ribbon used, 32 whole bows times each bow is 2/5. That will give me 64/5 a meter. Okay, so it should be 12 and 4/5 meters. So the ribbon used, it will be 12 and 4/5 meters. So the whole ribbon was 13 meters. So the leftover will be the whole ribbon. That's 13 meters minus 12 and 4/5. That will also give me 1/5 meter. Okay, so this is method 1. And this is method 2. Give you the same answer. Let's check if you got our units correct. So we have bows for the first one. 32 bows, whole bows. Method. And then you have part B, 1/5 meter of the ribbon is left. Okay, so this is the solution for question 3 on page 47 of our